Howdy. So I had some pipes break in my house this last freeze. I went down to the hardware store to grab some parts. And when I walk in, the first employee I find is trans. I don't want to be a fucking bigot. So I treat them like anyone else and ask for help. They, them, ask me if the parts I need are male or female. Me being a smart ass, I'm like, well, what are my other options? They, them said, buddy, don't get me started. You think your plumbing's fucked up? My dick's in a jar.